Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use our library's online catalog and access your account. In this tutorial, you will learn how to log into your account, search for materials, and place a hold on materials. A quick note before we begin. If you would like to learn how to request ebooks or e-audiobooks through Overdrive or use the Libby app, that information can be found in a different tutorial. This video will just cover searching for and requesting physical materials within the Merrimack Valley Library Consortium. Let's get started. The easiest way to access both the catalog and your account is by visiting our website at flintmemoriallibrary.org. Once you're here, navigate to the top right-hand corner of the page. When you click on the account icon, a new tab will open that takes you right to our library's unique catalog page and the menu with the account portal. To access your account, you will need your library card number. This is located on the back of your library card underneath the barcode, and your PIN. If you don't have one or both of these, please contact us and a staff member will share that information with you. In the menu at the top right-hand corner of the page, click Log In. In the window that pops up, you will first enter your library card number or username if you have one set up, and your PIN. Remember, you don't need any spaces when entering your library card number. Once you have filled in your credentials, click Log In. After successfully logging in, return to the menu at the top of the page and click My Account. Within the first tab on your account's homepage, you will be able to view and edit your personal information, such as your contact information, your hold preferences, your PIN. Let's scroll up here. So there's where you can change your PIN. You can change your settings for options such as default language and pickup library, and whether or not you would like SMS text notifications. On the second tab, you can see all of your current checkouts, both digital and physical. If you opted in to record your checkout history, under your personal preferences, you will see that here as well. On the third tab, you can see all of your current holds, both digital and physical. These are separated into holds that you are still waiting for and holds that are ready for download or pickup. If you would like to pause your holds for any reason, you can check the box next to the item of your choice and click Suspend Holds. You can also select the date, the start date, and the end date there to suspend. When you're ready to reactivate your place in line, select your items and click Discontinue Hold Suspension. Just like that. Now, if you decide you no longer want to borrow certain items, select them and click Cancel Holds. Finally, this fourth tab is about fines. If you have any outstanding fines or other library-related fees, this is where you can find them. You may pay these fees online with a working debit or credit card. Now, let's get to the fun part, searching for a book. We can actually begin our search right here. So let's look for a recent bestseller. How about The Last Thing He Told Me by Laura Dave? Before we do our search, I'll show you a couple of ways you can narrow your results. So you'll want to click the first, not the second one yet, the first drop-down menu that says Everything. This is where you can choose your format. I'm looking for the regular book, so let's click that option. There we go. The second drop-down menu that says Keyword will let you choose the type of search you're running. You can search by author, title, subject, a particular series, and so on. So let's stick with Keyword and go ahead and click Search. So as you can see, if we scroll down here, this book is wildly popular and has a very long wait list. To add yourself to the wait list, navigate up to the button that says Place Hold. When you click that button, a pop-up window will appear, and since you're searching from Flint Memorial Library's catalog page, that will be the default pickup library. If you'd like to change that, go into the drop-down menu and choose another library in the consortium. When you're ready, click Place Hold again, and you're all set. So let's try a different kind of search now. Say you're interested in finding books on investments. we'll type investments into the search bar, and then we'll go into the second drop-down menu and select subject and click search. You'll notice underneath the search bar is a message saying you are searching this library only. This means that right now your search is limited to titles about investments that are here in North Reading. If you want to expand your results to other libraries in the consortium, navigate to the link included at the end of this message that says to search all MVLC libraries. Click here. As you can see, you have a lot more titles to browse with this option. After you place your request, the owning library will send it to the pickup library of your choice through delivery, and you'll be notified when your materials are ready for pickup. So that's a wrap for our tutorial about account and catalog use. If you need any additional help, please call the reference desk at 978-664-4942, and a staff member will be there to assist you. Thanks for tuning in.